Right. Richard Inglewood, I'm a member of the House of England. Kinds of issues have flown up which have been expected, and the whole nature of the global economy seems to be changing. I think it's incredibly important that people try in thinking to recognize that what is important to other people and to try and be tolerant rather than simply be aggressive. Easier said than done.
Instead of military interventions, I think intellectual is more successful because it's being learned during the childhood, even in the schools, and that instead of military, educate these people with intellectual.
Well, it clearly is important to do that, but you first of all have to be very clear that the way in which message you want to get with the traditions of the communities they're addressed. Secondly, many won't want to outside views, and there are means of blocking that. And thirdly, it's going to be expensive, but then is very expensive too. But I think probably that action in which to go. But it's difficult because countries, at least, do not want cultural intervention from outside.
Do you think it's better for the Syrian unity of the integration?
The state. Yeah. If it happens, there are some things of event individuals control.